Hi folks, Greg, your friendly garden guy, right here at Willow Ridge Garden Center. Today we're going to be talking about how and when to cut back your ornamental grasses. Now the when is not really as critical as the how, but I say that, but you do have to do it before a certain date, okay? So I like to leave my grasses up in the wintertime, even though the tops are dead, because aesthetically that looks pretty cool in the winter. But now come end of February, everybody's over winter and we're ready for spring and we need to get cleaned up. Plus, at the end of February, we start getting warm spells. And if we get a warm spell that the soil starts getting warm, the grass can start to grow. You don't want to wait to cut these back after the new growth has already started, because then you can cut the tips of that new growth off and then the grass is not going to look good. So my version is Valentine's Day. Our landscaping guide that we hand out says President's Day. Either one of those is going to be fine. President's Day is usually the third week of February. Valentine's Day is the second week of February. So typically either the second week or third week of February is the best time to cut back your ornamental grasses. I'm going to be using an electric battery operated hedge trimmer. You can use manual hedge trimmers. You can use hand pruners. Hand pruners are a lot harder. You can use electric or gas hedge trimmers. It's just a lot easier when you have something that is electric or power tools like gas to cut through these things. And it's very simple. You just cut the tops off of them. Now I'm gonna help clean that up just a little bit more. Now, as you can tell, I've left about 6 inches of stubs up. Now, what that does, those stubs help keep the new grass that's going to be coming up from flopping. Okay, so that kind of gives it a little bit of support, if you will, for that new grass coming up, so it doesn't flop on you. Plus, that lets you see where your grass is and how big around it is now. Okay, so if you've got several of these, obviously you should have planted this type of grass about 3 to 5 feet apart, so you'll have stands of grasses there that will continue to grow and get bigger. But about 6 inches left up, and you just cut it back because the top of that is dead. But you don't want to cut it back too early, because when you do, if you notice, some of these stems can be hollow. And if that happens and water gets down in those stems, that could start to rot the crown of the plant. So when you have this grass in the wintertime with all that foliage there, it helps protect the crown of the plant. But about the second or third week of February, cut them back and you're golden. This is Greg, your friendly garden guy, saying get your hands dirty. It's good for you.